If you're preparing for German A1 and A2 exam and if you're failing, this video might hurt you a little bit, but it will also save you. Most students don't fail German exams because German is hard. They fail exams because they're doing it in a wrong way. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining all the real reasons why you might be failing German exams. P.S. These are the ones which no one talks about. If you don't know me or if you're new to this channel, then hi, this is Prarthana. I've been teaching German for 5 years. I've trained hundreds of students for German exam and have seen the same mistakes again and again. So if you're serious about Germany exams or your future, then watch this video till the end. Reason number one, they memorize the words and not the structure. The biggest mistake A1 and A2 students do while learning German is they memorize the vocab. For example, kommen to come, essen to eat, gehen to go. But let me tell you the hard truth. German exams don't ask you the meaning of a particular word. They ask you the application of those words. For example, if I ask a student to write a simple email of going to Germany, most of the students freeze. This is mainly because they do not have sentence formation practice, no verb position clarity, and mainly no confidence. Listen carefully. German is not a word game, it's a structure game. And the day you crack the structure is the day you're going to write and speak sentences easily. Reason 2, zero speaking practice before the actual exam. Now, I'm going to say something uncomfortable. Most students open their mouth to speak German exams on the exam date. Oh my god. On the exam date. And there are many reasons why. Number one, they're completely afraid. They have a fear of making mistakes. Number two is if you're studying alone. Because if you're studying alone, you're mainly going to be focusing on lesen, hören, schreiben, and maybe not so much on sprechen. And number three, no speaking partner or no speaking guidance. And then they panic when the examiner asks really simple questions such as Wie heißt du? Woher kommst du? Wo wohnst du? Such basic questions, but they cannot utter even a single word. If I'm being honest, speaking is not about fluency. It's about clarity and confidence. Clarity of the sentence structure and enough practice to have the confidence of speaking in front of the audience. Remember, if you're not speaking German while learning, your brain is never going to be trained to speak German in front of people, in front of your examiners. Let me share a truth bomb. Indian students are very sincere when it comes to studying. They love making notes, writing the grammar points, making highlights, texts, everything. But remember, German is not maths or science. I have seen a lot of students writing all the grammar notes, underlining the articles, and even highlighting the important text, solving a lot of exercises. But the main thing that they forget is language is a skill, it's not a subject. For example, you're not going to learn swimming just by reading a book about it. You're going to learn swimming when you actually get into the water. And that's why I'm saying German needs more of your mouth than a book. Reason number four, ignoring the exam format till the last moment. As a German teacher, I always integrate exam preparation in my course. This is because many students think I'll learn German first and then think about the exam later. But remember, exam has a specific pattern, marking criteria, and writing formats. Let me give you an example to make you understand better. For example, in your Schreiben exam, content matters less than the structure. It does not matter how creative your email is. What matters is whether your sentence or a question structure is on point, whether your verb is in the correct position, whether you're capitalizing all nouns or no, whether you're writing the articles correctly or no, whether you have included all the points in the writing or no. Remember, Goethe or Telc exam do not give you marks depending on your creativity. They give you marks testing whether you have understood their system or no. Reason 5, depending only on apps and YouTube. Apps like Duolingo or YouTube videos are really amazing tools. But remember, these are your supporting tools, not exam preparing tools. No feedback, no correction, no mock test, no personal analysis. Just because an app is saying excellent, it doesn't mean Goethe or Telc is going to pass you in the exam. Reason 6, no revision, plus no mock exams. This one is actually really simple, but this is where you're going to score full marks in your German exams. I have seen a lot of students just learning new topics again and again. They never revise old topics, they never use the old topics in actual application, and mainly, they never attempt any mock papers. Remember, dealing with exam preparation is also a skill. If you have never written any exam with a timer, your brain is just going to panic in the actual exam. Now, let me just tell you what actually helps students pass their exam. Number one, structured learning. If you don't know where to start, which course is suitable for you, which not, then simply use the following details and contact me. I'll give you all the information of the courses. Number two, speaking practice from day one. This is where you're going to actually tackle with your fear, and by the end of your course or end of your practice, you're going to be confident speaking in German language. Your brain is going to be trained speaking in German language. Number three, exam oriented writing practice. First, check what all topics are there in your exam. For example, it's an email, so which kind of emails actually come in the exam? If it's SMS, then see the topics. If it is Meinungsschreiben, which is your opinion writing, then which all topics are necessary for that particular exercise, and which all sub pointers you need to actually prepare for no matter what the topic is. Number four, regular revision. No matter which topic you're learning next, you need to give at least 10 minutes to revise the previous topic. And number five, mock exams with feedback. You should be able to solve at least 4 to 8 mock papers before your actual exam. Remember, passing an A1 or A2 exam is not about intelligence, it's about the correct strategy. So, next time, if you're preparing for German exams, don't ask if German is hard or no. Ask if I'm preparing for it correctly or no. If you have liked this video and if it has helped you in any way, please like this video so that YouTube can show it to more students who are struggling just like you. And comment below German exams if you want more videos on German focused content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, ciao.